Hey guys, how are you? What's going on? Let's go over my trade review for today. So, the same thing as yesterday. Guess what? I managed to do all the same mistakes again, another day in a row here. And yeah, so I clearly have some problems. There's honestly, trading is 90% psychological. And yeah, so let me just pull up my P&L to show you. Here we go, down 12% in the account. And you can see that right there, okay? 12%. Here are my trades. 278, 280, opened the position at 10.56, and I was in profit all day until noon. I didn't take any profit, and I didn't cut the trade when it went back to my break even. In fact, I added more to the trade, and I also was given at least 2 more opportunities to get out of that trade for a small profit, and I didn't do it. So I ended up with a loss, and that's it. And my broker liquidated the short calls at 223. So you can see that right there. You see the green on my chart right there. That's where the broker liquidated the calls, because interactive brokers will liquidate short option positions, either short calls or short puts, if the options are in the money and there's a risk that you get assigned and your account balance is too small to take an assignment risk, obviously. So what happened was they bought back my short calls, and then I was still long the 280 calls, and I rode them out for a little bit, and I managed to sell one up here for a profit, and then I sold the other one here for a loss after the market broke down. All right, so let's go over it. Now, first trade of the day, it was taken at 10.56. So SPY was relatively weak, huge gap down today, and we bounced. We were making lower highs, okay? The tech sector was still strong. So I took a short off the VWAP right here, okay? So there's 277 area. There was a lot of resistance there. So I said I would take a short call trade. I shorted the 278s, and my stop was gonna be above these highs here, 277.50. And I was willing to scale in. Anyhow, so that trade gave me profit, but I didn't take the profit. What else is new? So we came down to the low of the day, bounced off the low of the day, right back to my break-even point, and then we sold again right off. And again, I'm in profit. I didn't take the profit because I was expecting a larger move down. Because of how we were holding the support, it was looking like the chances of us breaking lower were higher. Although we never broke lower, and the market continued higher after that and came to get me. Basically, it came to get all of the short liquidity. Anybody who shorted the market, they came to get us, basically. So yep, same story as yesterday. I didn't cut it on my break even, so I would have cut it right here, pretty much right around 12:30. So I had profit until 12:30. Again, there's nothing wrong with my trading strategy. In fact, a lot of the times when I take trades in the morning, I end up with profit. It's just up to me to take the profit. I guess it's because I wasn't impressed by the dollar amount of the profit. That's probably why I didn't take it. Again, it's a psychological thing. So I sold another call here, and then we popped up and then kept popping up until here, and then finally the broker liquidated the position here. The market pulled back down to 277, and then the bulls came back at 277 to buy. We treated this as support, and this was in fact the VWAP. If you look at the 5-minute chart, you can see there, that was the VWAP, 277. Anyhow, so honestly, the technical analysis behind any of this stuff doesn't matter at this point, okay? The point of this trade review for me is the fact that I don't respect the rules I have in place for myself. I don't respect my mental stop losses. I don't respect my own rules of not trading in the afternoon. And yeah, so that's it. I need to start respecting my rules, or else I won't be able to last very long in this game. Again, that's all I gotta say, really. So yep, so basically near the end here, I was long to 280 calls. So at that point I was long. So if the market continued higher, there was a lot of potential for profit there. So risky thing behind that is, since I'm long 280 calls expiring today, then any move down is gonna absolutely crush them. So we moved higher here, and then we had this bear thing. So again, the move up, the fake out, and then the bears start selling. And then I've seen that happen so many times, where we break to a higher high, a few pennies higher, and then the bears come in and start selling it. I just have problems. I need to fix my problem. So yeah, those are my trades, guys. I bought some US dollars because I had a negative balance. That's it, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Take care. I'll try to take profit tomorrow and use a stop limit order to get out. Or will I?